Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kalabasa Leche Flan. First, steam about 500 grams of kalabasa until it is very soft, then mash it smoothly. Next, prepare 6 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Don't forget half a cup of granulated sugar for the caramel base. These simple ingredients will create a rich and creamy dessert. Let's get started on this delightful treat. Now, let's make the caramel. Melt half a cup of sugar directly in your anura or chosen mold over low heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Carefully swirl the mold to coat the bottom evenly with the caramel. In a separate bowl, combine your mashed kalabasa, the 6 egg yolks, and both the condensed and evaporated milks. Whisk this mixture until it is smooth and well combined, ensuring no lumps remain. Once your caramel is ready, carefully strain the kalabasa and milk mixture directly into the caramel-lined mold. This step ensures a super smooth and silky texture for your flan. Next, cover the mold tightly with aluminum foil. This prevents any water from dripping into your flan during the steaming process. Steam the flan for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean, indicating it's perfectly set. After steaming, allow your Kalabasa Leche Flan to cool completely at room temperature. This prevents condensation and helps it set properly. Once cooled, refrigerate the flan for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. Chilling it thoroughly makes it firm and easier to unmold. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges, invert it onto a plate, and enjoy your delicious creation. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.